did purchase the Vette.
Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Torque, and in today's video, we're gonna go see if we can straight pipe the Vette. I mean, it has a nice exhaust note now, but we want it to sound even better. So I'm gonna go stop by a couple of the local exhaust or muffler shops and see if they can do anything about this. Come along with me. But before we get going, how about a cold start up so you can hear this current exhaust. So as you can see, I mean, it does sound pretty good the way it is, but we want to straight pipe it. We want it to sound even better. Let's go. So just out cruising, head towards the exhaust shop, and notice that the check engine light is back on. We cleared it the other day, and I believe what it is a smog pump on the thing. The thing still has a factory smog pump on it, and that smog pump is causing the I guess the oxygen sensors to read kind of weird and making the check engine light come on, as you can see there. So hopefully we can figure out a way to get rid of that smog pump, and need to research on that and just see if we can get rid of that, and that'll be weight reduction as well. So I don't know, we're still heading towards the shop, so we continue to persist. So I just arrived to this muffler shop, as you can see, waiting on the right person to get back so that I can question them about straight piping the Vette and see if we can get this thing to sound better. But be back with you guys in a second as soon as I get a verdict on that. So guys, we got it going on the lift. We're gonna check it out and see if we can possibly straight pipe this thing. Hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully we can get it straight pipe today maybe. So let's figure it out. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Yeah, it woke it up some. I like it. Had an exhaust leak. I knew it when I purchased it that it had one. Apparently this car has a transmission. It was put in about, I think 9,000 miles ago is when the new transmission was put in, and they used red silicone on the exhaust. Not sure why. I've never seen silicone on the exhaust, but it fell out on the passenger side, and so we're actually fixing that now, and that take care of that little exhaust leak there. But so far, I mean, the exhaust sounds good, even with, you know, what they've done to it so far. Yeah, that there took care of that exhaust leak that it had, so good to go. So what we did so far is just open up the exhaust a little, just to see how it does. We may, at a later date, open it up a little bit more, but I mean, so far it sounds pretty good. It's sounding pretty good so far. So we may do a little bit more later on, but we just ride around with this and see how it does. Oh yeah. Really picked up and sounds good now. So now that the exhaust is done, the Vette sounds really good right now, but it's in desperate need of a cleaning. So we're going to pull this thing around back and give it a quick bath. Alright guys, we're getting it all soaked up. I really love this little cannon here, this little foam cannon, because really no need for a bucket with a foam cannon. But almost done soaping it, and we're going to get to scrubbing this thing. Alright guys, so cleaning up these wheels. I mean, so far not very dirty, but I'm gonna clean it all up and hopefully we can make this thing shine even more. Everybody meet Sparkle, my little helper here. And make sure we dry them off. I don't want any watermarks. We can help it. Using the microfiber rag. Getting it dry, getting it done. Looking good so far. Guys, the Vette now sounds sick. Not only does it sound sick now, but it also looks amazing. Check it out. And it cleaned up really good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful exhaust note. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the push notification bell and the like button so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content that I come out with in the near future. And until next time.